The 72-hour belly fat myth, unveiling the truth about herbs and weight loss. Did you know that some believe a simple herb can melt away belly fat in just 72 hours? It's a tempting thought, isn't it? A quick fix to a problem that plagues so many. But is it too good to be true? The truth is, sustainable weight loss, especially around the belly, requires a deeper understanding of our bodies and the factors at play. Beyond the hype debunking, quick fixes, and embracing sustainable change. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the allure of instant results. We see it everywhere, from social media influencers to flashy advertisements promising miraculous transformations overnight. The internet is flooded with promises of rapid weight loss. These ads often feature dramatic before and after photos, testimonials, and bold claims that seem too good to be true. These claims often prey on our desire for immediate results. They tap into our impatience and the hope that we can achieve our goals without much effort. But the reality is far different. However, true and lasting change takes time. Just like the changing seasons, our bodies need time to adapt and transform. Quick fixes might offer temporary results, but they rarely lead to sustainable health. It requires a holistic approach that addresses not just what we eat, but also how we live. This means incorporating healthy eating habits, regular physical activity, and mental well-being practices into our daily routines. Our bodies are complex systems. Each part is interconnected, and achieving true health involves understanding and nurturing these connections. Consulting with healthcare professionals can provide personalized guidance tailored to our unique needs. They don't respond to quick fixes in the long run. Instead, they thrive on consistent positive changes. Throwing away those diet pills and focusing on a balanced lifestyle can lead to more meaningful and lasting results. Instead of falling for these fleeting promises, let's explore a more sustainable path, one that incorporates natural solutions like herbs. Herbs have been used for centuries to support health and wellness. They offer a gentle yet effective way to enhance our well-being without the harsh side effects of many quick-fix solutions. Embracing sustainable change means committing to a journey. It's about setting realistic goals, tracking progress, and celebrating small victories along the way. Surrounding ourselves with supportive communities and engaging in activities that bring joy can make this journey more enjoyable and fulfilling. Ultimately, sustainable change is about creating a lifestyle that we can maintain for the long term. It's about finding balance, nurturing our bodies and minds, and living in harmony with our environment. By debunking quick fixes and embracing this holistic approach, we can achieve true and lasting health. The allure of herbs is timeless and captivating. These small, often unassuming plants have been revered for their remarkable properties and their ability to enhance our lives in numerous ways. A natural approach to wellness is not just a trend, but a return to ancient wisdom. It's about reconnecting with nature and harnessing its power to heal and rejuvenate our bodies and minds. For centuries, cultures worldwide have turned to herbs for their medicinal and therapeutic benefits. From the bustling markets of ancient China to the serene gardens of medieval Europe, herbs have been a cornerstone of traditional medicine. These potent plants offer a natural way to support our health and well-being. Each herb carries its unique set of benefits, from boosting immunity to calming the mind. For instance, chamomile is renowned for its soothing properties, while ginger is celebrated for its digestive benefits. While not a magic bullet, certain herbs can play a role in our weight loss journey. Incorporating herbs like green tea, which is known for its metabolism-boosting properties, or cayenne pepper, which can help curb appetite, can be beneficial. These herbs, often used in culinary traditions, can also be powerful allies in our quest for a healthier weight. Imagine the vibrant flavors of basil, mint, and parsley not only enhancing your meals, but also supporting your health goals. They work in synergy with our bodies, gently nudging them towards balance and optimal function. When combined with practices like yoga and meditation, the benefits of herbs can be amplified, creating a holistic approach to wellness that nurtures both body and soul. Embracing a natural approach to wellness means taking the time to understand and appreciate the gifts that nature offers. It's about cultivating a lifestyle that honors the earth and our connection to it, fostering a sense of harmony and well-being. Whether through the simple act of brewing a cup of herbal tea or incorporating fresh herbs into our daily meals, we can all take small steps towards a more natural and balanced way of living. Let's celebrate the power of herbs and the timeless wisdom they bring to our modern lives. Spotlight on name of the herb. A closer look at its properties. Name of the herb, a common herb found in many kitchens, has recently gained attention for its potential weight loss benefits. This unassuming herb, with its distinct aroma and taste, is more than just a culinary delight. It's packed with mention-specific compounds like antioxidants, vitamins or minerals that contribute to its health-promoting properties. But how exactly does it work? And what does science say about its effectiveness? The science behind name of the herb and fat metabolism. Research suggests that name of the herb may influence fat metabolism in several ways. Studies have shown that it can, increase metabolism, reduce fat absorption, or even suppress appetite. For instance, a study published in Name of the Journal found that, briefly explained the study findings and their relevance. While more research is needed to fully understand its long-term effects, these findings offer promising insights into the herb's potential. Real stories, real people, name of the herb and my weight loss journey. I've always struggled with my weight, especially around my midsection. I tried countless diets and exercise regimes, but nothing seemed to work. Then I discovered name of the herb. I started incorporating it into my daily routine, adding it to my meals and drinks. To my surprise, I started noticing a difference. My clothes felt looser and I had more energy. It wasn't a drastic overnight change, but a gradual and sustainable one. Embracing a holistic approach, beyond the herb. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to look for quick fixes and instant solutions, especially when it comes to our health and well-being. However, true wellness goes beyond just one element or one herb. While name of the herb can be a valuable tool in our weight loss journey, it's important to remember that it's not a magic solution. The herb can support our efforts, but it works best when integrated into a broader, more comprehensive lifestyle change. True and lasting change requires a holistic approach that addresses all aspects of our well-being. This means looking at our mental, emotional and physical health as interconnected parts of a whole. Meditation and mindfulness practices can help us manage stress and improve our mental clarity. This includes adopting a balanced diet rich in whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains and lean proteins. Cooking at home with fresh ingredients not only ensures that we know what we're eating, but also allows us to make healthier choices. Engaging in regular physical activity is crucial. Whether it's jogging in the park, attending a gym workout class, or even taking a relaxing yoga session, staying active helps our body function optimally. Additionally, managing stress levels through activities like spa visits or meditation can significantly impact our overall health. And let's not forget the importance of getting enough sleep. Quality sleep is essential for recovery and maintaining a healthy metabolism. By addressing these lifestyle factors, we create an environment that supports our body's natural ability to maintain a healthy weight. It's about making sustainable changes that we can stick with in the long run. Surrounding ourselves with a supportive community, whether it's family, friends or a fitness group, can also make a big difference. Together we can embrace a holistic approach to health that goes beyond the herb and leads to lasting well-being. Your journey to a healthier you starts today. The journey to a healthier weight is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that become part of our lifestyle. Incorporating herbs like name of the herb can be a step in the right direction, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Listen to your body, experiment with different approaches, and find what works best for you.